Hello, and welcome back to the Easy English Way. In today's episode, I will share 5 essential rules designed to make your learning more effective and help you speak English with greater confidence. Rather than working harder with limited results, you will learn how to work smarter, achieving faster progress with less effort. These 5 rules are simple, practical, and highly effective. So, take a moment to grab a notebook. Stay with me through to the end, and let us begin your journey toward fluent English together. Let's get started. Rule 1. Learn phrases, not just words. Always learn phrases instead of individual words. It may sound simple, but it is incredibly effective. Many learners make the mistake of memorizing long lists of words, writing them down, checking their meanings, and repeating them over and over. But what happens? They forget most of them after a few days. And when they try to speak, they get stuck, worrying about grammar rules. It's frustrating. Learning phrases changes everything. You start to pick up grammar naturally, without even trying. For example, instead of learning the word enjoy by itself, learn it in a phrase like, Sarah enjoys watching old movies. Notice what's happening here. You are not just learning a word. You are learning how to use it in a real sentence. You don't have to think, should I add an S after enjoy when I talk about Sarah? No, because your brain remembers the whole phrase. You start feeling what's correct, just like native speakers do. Here's a simple tip. Get a small notebook and call it your phrase notebook. Every time you hear a new word, don't write the word alone. Write the entire phrase. It could be from a book, a movie, or a podcast. By doing this, you will learn real, natural English, not stiff textbook English. And here's the best part. Your speaking will become faster, smoother, and more confident. No more translating in your head. No more worrying about grammar. Just natural, fluent English. Rule 2. Don't study grammar rules. Forget about memorizing grammar rules. It may sound strange, but trust me, this is a game changer. Many learners get stuck because they focus too much on rules and not enough on using the language. They try to remember complicated grammar charts while speaking, which only slows them down. Instead, learn grammar naturally through listening and speaking. Think about how children learn a language. They don't study rules. They just listen, copy, and repeat what they hear. You can do the same. For example, listen to sentences like, he ate the apple, instead of, he eated the apple. By hearing the correct usage in context, you learn the proper past tense without needing to remember specific grammar rules. Over time, your brain will naturally pick up these patterns, helping you use them correctly without the need for memorization. By focusing on phrases in context, you can effortlessly learn the correct forms and structures of the English language. Here's a simple tip. Watch English videos or listen to podcasts and repeat the sentences you hear. Pay attention to how words fit together. The more you do this, the more natural your grammar will become. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice speaking without stopping to correct yourself. Mistakes are part of learning. The goal is to communicate clearly, not perfectly. So, don't let grammar rules hold you back. Focus on real conversations, and your grammar will improve on its own, quickly and naturally. Rule 3. Learn with your ears, not just your eyes. Listening is a powerful tool for learning English. Reading alone won't help you speak fluently. You need to hear real conversations, natural expressions, and different accents. This trains your brain to understand and respond in English without translating. Make listening a daily habit. You can listen anytime, while walking, cooking, or relaxing. Audiobooks, podcasts, and YouTube videos are great choices. Pick topics you enjoy, like travel, sports, or storytelling. When you listen to something you like, learning feels easy and natural. One of the best techniques to improve your speaking through listening is called shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, copying the speaker's tone and speed. Don't stop or worry about mistakes. Just keep going. This method trains your brain and mouth to work together, making your speech more natural and fluent. I've made an entire episode about shadowing techniques. Please feel free to explore it by following the link in the description. And don't just listen, engage with what you hear. Test your understanding by asking yourself simple questions. This makes your brain respond automatically in English and helps you think faster during real conversations. Consistency is key. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can help you understand conversations more easily and pick up natural expressions. Over time, you'll find yourself speaking with confidence, without translating in your head. Rule 4. Deep learning. Repeating what you learn is key to mastering English. The more you do it, the stronger your skills will get. Many learners have trouble because they try to learn too much too fast. It's better to focus on quality over quantity. Instead of trying to learn 20 or 30 new words a day, aim for just 3 to 5. Take your time. It's not about how many words you know, but how many you can actually use when speaking. Repeating a few words more often helps you remember and use them naturally. Practice phrases and sentences frequently. For example, if you learn the phrase, "I'm looking forward to it," make sure to repeat it daily. Use it in various contexts, such as, "I'm looking forward to the weekend," or, "Are you looking forward to your trip?" Additionally, vary the phrase by using it in different tenses or with different subjects. For instance, "I enjoy reading books." "He enjoys reading books." "Did you enjoy reading the book?" This helps you get used to speaking without thinking about grammar. Make repetition fun. Watch movies with English subtitles. First, watch with subtitles to listen and read together. Then, watch again without subtitles. This will help you catch natural expressions, hear how native speakers talk, and improve your pronunciation. You can even pause and repeat lines you like. Over time, you'll learn useful phrases and feel more comfortable in real conversations. Remember, repetition is the key to mastery. The more you repeat, the stronger your English becomes. Rule 5. Only use real English materials. Stop using boring textbooks. They often teach unnatural English. Instead, use real English materials, like movies, podcasts, articles, books, and conversations with native speakers. Movies and podcasts help you hear how English is really spoken. You'll learn slang, expressions, and natural phrases. For example, instead of saying, "I am very tired," you'll learn to say, "I'm exhausted," or "I'm worn out," just like native speakers. Reading authentic books written for native speakers is far more powerful than using traditional textbooks. Choose something at your level. You can start with children's books or graded readers. As you read, your vocabulary will grow naturally, and you'll learn new things beyond just language skills. Plus, reading is fun. You'll also pick up common phrases and sentence structures without even trying. In conclusion, these 5 powerful rules will assist you in speaking English more fluently and naturally. Which rule do you believe will be most beneficial for you? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to ensure you never miss a new lesson from the Easy English Way. Keep practicing, remain consistent, and remember, fluency develops over time. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.